Geekians has a wide experience of working with manufacturing industries as well as heavy duty industries. So we've been a part of their digital transformation journey, be it on the IoT platform or digitizing their entire business processes, predictive maintenance, as well as going forward and taking automation practices into dark industries.
IoT is the core of heavy industry for maximizing the production and efficiency. Geekians has partnered with many European clients to provide an actionable dashboard for heavy industries and railways.
The data which is coming from the wireless sensors are actually taken into the database, further analyzed by their software, and these data are actually displayed into the intuitive dashboard for the end clients. These dashboards are help in terms of giving the real-time data of the machines, understanding the real-time conditions of the machines, and further help them in understanding and planning a maintenance activity for the future. Our dashboards are scalable, and these are further connected with the supply chain of the client, which actually helps them in understanding the stock management system.
This will be further integrated with the customer supply chain to maintain the stock well in advance.
These solutions that we have come up with, these applications that we have come up with, is basically a one-stop solution. Now these purchasing managers can just go ahead, press one single button in this application and then find the right kind of supplier that they want. And once the supplier meets all the demands of the purchasing managers, we get to know and we understand what supplier we want, the amount of budget that the purchasing manager will have, and the kind of parts that they're looking out for.
As Geekians, we are thrilled to be a part of the digital transformation journey and the impact we are creating for our manufacturing clients.